Brian Houston is an Australian pastor and evangelist. He is the founder and senior pastor at Hillsong Church, based in Sydney with locations around the world. He was the national president of the Australian Christian Churches, the Australian branch of the Assemblies of God, from 1997 to 2009. Houston was born in Auckland, New Zealand, on the 17th of February 1954. His parents, Frank and Hazel, were then Salvation Army officers. When Houston was 3, his parents joined the Assemblies of God in New Zealand and began pastoring a church in Lower Hutt, near Wellington, 62, where Houston and his brother and 3 sisters spent their childhood. After completing school, he went to a Bible college for 3 years. 66. Shortly after completing college, he met his future wife, Bobby, on Papamoa Beach in New Zealand during a Christian convention. They were married in 1977. After moving to Sydney, New South Wales, Australia, in 1978, Houston served at the Sydney Christian Life Centre in Darlinghurst, where he became the assistant pastor to his father, Frank. In 1980, he started a church on the Central Coast and worked at a church in Liverpool in 1981. In 1983, Houston hired the Baulkham Hills Public School Hall in Sydney's northwestern suburbs to start a new church, the Hills Christian Life Centre. The first service was held on Sunday, the 14th of August 1983. In May 1997, Houston was elected the President of the Assemblies of God in Australia after the retirement of Andrew Evans. In February 2000, Houston helped to create the Australian Christian Churches network of Pentecostal churches. This alliance represented over 200,000 members in affiliate churches, and Houston was its inaugural president. He is also a member of the Australian Pentecostal Ministers Fellowship. At the 2009 National Conference of Australian Christian Churches, Wayne Alcorn was elected to replace Houston. On the 10th of May 1999, Frank Houston stepped down from the role of senior pastor at Sydney Christian Life Centre and Brian Houston was appointed to the position. Brian Houston said that Frank appeared rushed to hand his church to him. This was before the revelations of Frank's child sexual abuse became known. 15 years later, in 2014, Brian Houston spoke at hearings held by the Royal Commission into Institutional Responses to Child Sexual Abuse, stating that he received an allegation in October 1999 that his father sexually abused an Australian underage male. Brian Houston's statement and the evidence submitted to the Royal Commission revealed that in November 1999, his father confessed of committing child sexual abuse. The Royal Commission censured Brian Houston for his failure to report the sexual abuse allegations against his father and for his failure to avoid a clear conflict of interest investigating his own father while serving as national president of the Assemblies of God in Australia. On the 5th of August 2021, NSW Police issued a warrant for Houston to attend the Downing Centre Local Court in Sydney on 5 October, alleging that he concealed child sexual abuse by his late father, Frank. Houston was in the United States at the time of being charged. In September 2018, Hillsong left the Australian Christian Churches to become an autonomous denomination, identifying itself more as a global and charismatic church. According to both Hillsong and ACC, the parting was amicable. Houston is an executive producer for Hillsong Music Australia, the music ministry of Hillsong Church. Over a number of years, this music ministry has been successful with chart-topping albums from Hillsong United and Hillsong Live, which is the worship expression of Hillsong Church and incorporates their entire worship team. Annually, Hillsong records a live album, and songs from this recording are sung by church congregations all over the world. Hillsong songs include Mighty to Save and Shout to the Lord, with the latter featured on a 2008 special episode of American Idol called Idol Gives Back. Houston has made public comments on homosexuality and same-sex marriage. I do believe God's word is clear that marriage is between a man and a woman. Hillsong Church welcomes all people but does not affirm all lifestyles. Put clearly, We do not affirm a gay lifestyle, and because of this we do not knowingly have actively gay people in positions of leadership, either paid or unpaid. Despite this statement, a few months later it was reported that Houston conceded, "I think my father was homosexual." A closet homosexual. Houston and his wife Bobby reside in the suburb of Glenhaven, Sydney, Australia. They have 3 children, Joel, Ben and Laura. All are married and involved in the leadership of Hillsong Church. Houston is friends with Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison, who has described Houston as a mentor. Details of books written by Houston.